and Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. I thought it was so fun this year that Tuesday fell on a Christmas, which means that New Year's Eve will also be on Tuesday this year. So that's really fun for my channel. But anyways, I'm running a little bit late. Are we surprised? I'm not. I was supposed to be somewhere at 1 and it's currently 1:23, so I'm really late. But I wanted to hop on here and just say Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Honestly, your love and support has just blown me away this past year, and I've been questioning a lot with my YouTube channel, like, what am I doing? What's the point of this? Especially as I become more of an adult, even though I technically became an adult when I was 18. I feel like I'm getting more into like my adult routine, if that makes sense, because when you're in school and in college, like, you're just a student. And so after college, as most of you know, I went and did the Disney college program, which was really fun. But I feel like I'm starting to actually slowly set my routine and figure out, okay, what am I doing with my life? Which I feel like is a really tough question to answer, but like, what am I doing? And I've thought about my YouTube channel a lot and like, where am I going with this? What is the point with this? And just like making sure that I'm still doing everything for like the right reasons and for myself. And honestly, when I ask myself that question, the reason is always you guys. I absolutely love being able to talk to you guys in the comments about each video. And even though I haven't felt the most motivated recently when it comes to like filming or feeling really creative, I am always so blown away by all the kind comments you guys leave me, and it means a lot. I know that Christmas can be really hard sometimes for people. Even the holidays, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, it can be really tough, and it's been tough for me this year as well, which, to be honest, is kind of frustrating because it's not like anything happened. I know for some of you, you're sitting around the table and there's an empty chair and it's the first time that chair's been empty, and that can be really hard. And it's hard when all you see on social media are people celebrating and having fun and going Christmas shopping and getting ready for New Year's and getting all dressed up, and which is great and so much fun. But if you're not celebrating that and you're sitting at home and you're alone, or maybe it's your first Christmas away from home. That was me when I was in Florida. When I did the Disney college program, it was my first time being away from my family on the holidays. Yes, it was fun. I was working as a character attendant with Mickey Mouse. It was wonderful. But I was still seeing all these families come through, and I just really missed home. So maybe that's you this year. Maybe you're not living at home and you still haven't established your home yet. Just know that you are so loved and so valuable. Even though this time of year is supposed to be focused on so much joy and happiness, I feel like it's really the peak of when people feel the most alone. And I can relate to that as someone who struggled off and on with depression and anxiety. I won't say I totally get what that feels like, because I feel like everyone's experience is so unique, but if that helps at all, I hope it does. Just know that I am with you when it comes to feeling alone, especially during the holidays. But anyways, I probably should get going since I'm running late, but I just want to let you guys all know how much I love you, and I think you're all so wonderful and so awesome, and I just value all of you so, so much. And one thing I've been wanting to do more is giveaways. So last night we went to my boyfriend's dad's side of the family's Christmas party. It was super fun, and they have white elephants, and every year I always struggle, like, what do I get? Like, because I always want to do like a fun gift, nothing like corny, but like something kind of like that I feel like people would appreciate. This year, the idea just came to me to just rewrap some of the PR packages I've gotten, because there have been some I literally have not taken apart because they were so beautiful, and I just decided to like rewrap them and give them away, because honestly, I have so much makeup. I think sometimes I take it for granted, to be totally honest, and I was like, you know what? I think someone else might appreciate this more than me right now. So I wrapped it up, and it was so funny to watch. Like, everyone was just freaking out. It was so funny because the guy who opened it just got married, and it was, I mean, obviously not for him. It was a big PR package, and it had all this eyeshadow in it, lipsticks. It was so, so fun. And it of course got stolen, but it was really cool to see how excited people were about makeup, because to me, it's like, okay, it's another PR package. And it sounds so careless, and I do really appreciate it, but I know that like I have so much makeup, like I don't need it. And it was so cool for me to like see someone else get excited and hear them tell me like, yeah, like honestly, like that's the last thing I do is buy makeup for myself, because I'm thinking about my kids and my family. Like, I don't buy makeup for myself anymore. And if I do, it's like the necessities. I never buy things that are fun just to play around with, because I just can't afford it. So that was really fun for me, and it made me think, and I want to do more giveaways. I kind of didn't want to do a giveaway during like the holiday season, because I feel like everyone does that, and I wanted to do it during a random time like in January or February. So I might still do that, but I'm going to give away one of these Tartelette palettes for you guys. This is the toasted palette. I have this and I have a ton of other stuff I want to give away to one of you guys. For this giveaway, I might look into more in the future as to how you can legally do giveaways for people under 18, since I know a lot of you guys are. But for this one, since it is so last minute, you do have to be over 18 to enter. Leave something down in the comments down below. Say what you're thankful for, what you're doing for the holidays, a holiday tradition, or even if you're not like feeling great, just let me know too, because I'm right there with you. I've been feeling like that the past month or so. So whatever you want to say, just say, leave a comment down below. And also leave how I can contact you. So whether it's an email address or an Instagram handle, if you want me to DM you via Instagram if you do win, I'm going to just, I think, enter in all the names into like a random number picker and pick them at random. I'm also going to include a Christmas card from me and a couple other things too, because I do have a bunch of random stuff that I have in like a giveaway drawer and I've never given away. So that is what I'm doing for Christmas. Actually, today's Christmas Eve. I'm going to like a lunch dinner at my boyfriend's family's house, and then tomorrow we're all going skiing. I think this is like our new tradition because I've gone skiing on Christmas the past 4 years in a row. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go see a movie with my parents. There's a movie out tomorrow called Sherlock and Holmes, and it looks so funny. I love that type of like sense of humor where it's like Buddy the Elf or like Talladega Nights, like Will Ferrell movies. Like, I just love them. So it looks really funny, and I'm gonna have a really good time tomorrow, just hang out with family and friends, and probably not being a whole lot on social media, which is why I wanted to quickly film this little like vlog informal video, which I think is fine because like I feel like everyone's doing Vlogmas anyways. So anyways, all I have to say, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever you're celebrating. I just hope you're all having a wonderful day, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support this past year. And I'm excited for my next video. I think what I'm going to do is kind of do a year in review video, but then also talk about some things I'm looking forward to in the next year. So thank you all so much. Merry Christmas. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.